Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be. May Allah Mighty keep you happy and may you continue to enjoy like this video. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top design. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and make a similar design for yourself. This video is very helpful and useful and designs very popular in the country, and Kal love such clothes, has a lovely designs. So friends, today miss any of the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related design. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video for good. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, well remember.